passage of revenue measures, we assure the Filipino taxpayers that the 2020 national budget will be reflection not only of the President's vision but also of the people's will. The swift passage of the national budget would give more time for the Senate to scrutinize the appropriation bill to avoid delays. The House also strictly complied with no pork, no parking, and no delay policy. We want President Duterte to sign the national budget into law by December because it would translate to economic growth.